Hello my dear students, this is Sumit Kumar, TGT English Kendra Vidyalaya Punjab Lines Meerut Kent. Today the chapter which we are going to discuss taken from supplementary reader Footprints Without Feet, class 10th CBSE board, and the name of this chapter is A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. So in this chapter, Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So let's go through this PPT. Let's go through this video to know more. About the author, James Alfred Wheat, known by the pen name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. Summary of the chapter. The story is about a pet dog named Tricky owned by Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves so much Tricky, but she doesn't know the way to feed a dog, and she overfeeds Tricky, due to which Tricky started suffering from some big health issues such as hugely fat, bloodshot, and rheumi. She consults with a veterinary surgeon named Mr. Harriet, who advises her to make a proper diet plan and refused her not to overfeed him. Besides it, Mr. Harriet brings Tricky into his clinic where he treats him for a fortnight. It was the most difficult period of Mrs. Pumphrey's life to live without Tricky at home. At the beginning, Tricky lives there without any food for some days. Then he starts recovering from the illness. He starts playing with other dogs in the clinic. During this period, Mrs. Pumphrey used to contact with the surgeon telephonically and sends eggs and wine with brandy for Tricky from her house. When the surgeon informs her regarding the full recovery of the Tricky, she goes to the clinic and brings Tricky back to home without any delay. At the end of the story, she thanks Dr. Harriet and calls it the triumph of surgery. Characters of the story. Character number 1, Mr. Harriet, the narrator and veterinary surgeon. Number 2, Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky's mistress. Number 3, Tricky, the dog. Number 4, Hodgkin, the gardener. Number 5, Tristan, Mr. Harriet's household dog. And number 6, Joy, the greyhound dog. In this picture, Mrs. Pumphrey is talking to Dr. Harriet, the speaker of this story and the veterinary surgeon. She is explaining her problem regarding Tricky. So Dr. Harriet suggested her not to give him extra food and to cut down some product from his meal. So when the condition of Tricky becomes more serious, so then Dr. Harriet has to carry the dog into his clinic where he treats him for a fortnight. Glossary of this chapter. Difficult words and their meaning. So write down all the difficult words and their meaning in your notebook. So students, now we will discuss what is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb, a phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb which creates a meaning different from the original verb. So these are the verbs, original verbs: get, go, write, take. Now we are using a preposition at the last of these verbs and it will be changed into phrasal verb. And the meaning the meaning of the phrasal verb will be different from original verb. For example, I ran into my teacher at the movies last night. So run is the original verb and into is the preposition, and it will be changed now. Run into is a phrasal verb and the meaning of this verb is meet. Next example, he ran away when he was 15. So run is the original verb and away is a preposition, and the meaning of the phrasal verb is leave home. He ran away when he was 15. It means he left when he was 15. I made up the story. They are looking into the problem. She was walking across the street when she heard the sound of an explosion. So, students, the yellow part, the verbs which are highlighted in yellow, these all are the phrasal verbs. And now, what to do? You have to find the 4 to 5 phrasal verbs from this chapter, and then you have to frame some sentences by using those phrasal verbs in your language. Breeds of dogs. Here some breeds of dogs are shown, and this one is the Greyhounds breed mentioned by the author in this chapter as Joy, the Greyhound. So this is the figure of that dog. So look and study these breeds of dogs. Character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey. So Mrs. Pumphrey has three qualities in her character. Number one, she is a rich lady. Number two, soft-hearted. And number three, careless. So she is a fabulously rich and resourceful lady with a large number of servants. Except it, she is a foolish and careless lady as well. In actual, she doesn't know the way to nurture a dog. She overfeeds Tricky many times, due to which he had to become hugely fat, bloodshot and rheumy, and Tricky has to pay the price of it. She is a soft-hearted woman also, and her softness shows when Mr. Harriet comes to her home to hospitalize Tricky. She was very sad because she can't live without Tricky for a fortnight. During this period, she ringed Mr. Harriet dozen times in a day to know the recovery of Tricky from illness. Character sketch of Tricky. Tricky is a small dog. The only fault of Tricky is his greed for food. Overfeeding of sweets, cakes, and chocolates make Tricky hugely fat. He becomes rheumy and listless. His tongue lolls from his jaws, and he becomes a victim of overindulgence and overfeeding. He loses his appetite and starts vomiting. Tricky is treated by Dr. Harriet for 15 days, and then he started giving some signal to be healthy. He shows his love and affection for his mistress by jumping onto her lap when she comes to collect him. Character sketch of Dr. Harriet. He is a competent veterinary surgeon. He is really worried about Tricky. He understands the reason behind Tricky's illness. It is due to overfeeding and pampering. He suggests Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down his meal and other food items. He is a social person as well, and he shows it when he hospitalizes Tricky to start his treatment. He is a practical and pragmatic. He doesn't give any medical treatment to the dog. He feeds the dog with only water, and his methods works. Dr. James is clever enough to enjoy the best of both the worlds. He is tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. It was happy period. It was a happy period for Dr. Harriet and his friends. He used to enjoy eggs for breakfast and wine and brandy for lunch. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What was the name of Mrs. Pumphrey's dog? It was Tricky. Question number 2. Who was Mrs. Pumphrey worried about? So Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about her pet dog Tricky. Tricky falls ill because He is overfed and pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. Where did Mr. Harriet take Tricky? To his clinic. What did the doctor give Tricky at his clinic? Nothing for 2 days, but plenty of water is given by the doctor. How did Tricky treat by Mr. Harriet at clinic? Answer: Tricky had no medical treatment of any kind. He lived with other dogs, played, run and fight with them. Describe the Tricky's transformation after being treated by Mr. Harriet. So the answer: Tricky has been transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled animal. How did Mrs. Pumphrey keep her eyes on Tricky's health from the house? So answer: she ringed dozen times to Mr. Harriet in a day, and she was sending eggs, bind and brandy to the clinic. Home assignment. Question number 1. What makes you know that Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady? Question number 2. What was the cause of Tricky's ailment? Question number 3. Describe the parting scene between Tricky and Mrs. Pumphrey's household. Question number 4. I think I know a cure for you. What was the cure? Question number 5. What kind of treatment was given to Tricky? Did it help in his recovery? Question number 6. Find out 4 different phrasal verbs from the chapter and frame sentences by using them. Okay students, so this is your home assignment. Long answers type questions. Question number 1. Do you think parents like Mrs. Pumphrey exist? If yes, so is it a good thing to pamper children? Why or why not? So students, value points are given. Read these value points and frame answers in your own language. Question number 2. Excess of everything is bad. Comment in the wake of Mrs. Pumphrey's love for Tricky. Again, value points are given for this question. Read these value points and frame answers. Mind maps. So how to start and how to end. First of all, reading of the story. Second, summary, glossary and phrasal verbs. Third, characteristics of the 3 characters, like number 1, Mrs. Pumphrey, number 2, Tricky, and number 3, Mr. Harriet. 4, short compositions, and last, long compositions. So students, this is all about this chapter, Triumph of Surgery. If you face any difficulty regarding any part of the video, so be sure to put your comments in the box. Your comments are most welcomed. Thank you.